Craving French toast for breakfast but short on time? Well, then these French toast muffins will totally hit the mark. I love a grab and go breakfast for those crazy busy mornings, especially ones like these that freeze so well. These French toast muffins are just 5 ingredients and take no time to put together. Let's get cooking. The first thing you're going to need is a loaf of bread. I'm using this keto bread. This is lower in calories, low in carbohydrates, high in dietary fiber. But one of the beautiful things about this recipe is you can use whatever type of bread pleases you, but you need one loaf. And we're just going to take our bread and a serrated knife, and we are going to cut this into small bite-sized pieces, and we're going to add it to a bowl. And you're going to cut all of these pieces just like this, the entire loaf, exactly the same. And now all of our bread looks something like this. And let me tell you, this will be the longest step of this whole recipe, and that's it. Okay, so we have our bread aside now, and it is time to work on the wet ingredients. So we're going to take another bowl, and we are going to take some eggs, just like this, and we need 6 of them. And then we're going to crack 6 eggs into this bowl. Try not to get any shells in there. And now take a whisk, and you're going to whisk those eggs together. And next, we're going to add to our bowl with the eggs, half of a cup of a Nuri protein shake. Now, here's where you can get creative. You can use a protein shake, you can use low-fat milk, you can use high-protein milk, whatever you like, put it in. And now we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla, and of course, I measure with love, and about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, depending on how much cinnamon you like in yours. I like a lot in mine. And now we're going to whisk that all together. And folks, it doesn't get much simpler than this. We're going to take these wet ingredients and we're going to pour them right over top of our bread. And now we're going to take a spatula and we are going to incorporate all of that egg mixture over top of the bread. You want to make sure that you really combine all of this together because you want every single piece of bread to have some of that ooey gooey egg mixture on it. Next, we're going to take a muffin tin. I love the silicone muffin tins because nothing sticks in here and the muffins pop right out. But if you're using a regular muffin tin, make sure that you use some paper liners or you spray it. And then you're just going to take a spoon. I like to use a cookie scoop, and we're going to fill these all the way to the top. And now we have all of our muffins ready to go. We're going to top them with just a little bit of sweetness. I'm going to take some brown sugar, and I'm just going to take a little sprinkle and just top each muffin with that. And then to really enhance the cinnamon flavor in the inside, we're going to top this on the outside with just a nice little sprinkle of cinnamon. And then we're going to pop these in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Okay, and our muffins have come out of the oven, and I've let them cool for about 5 minutes, and I can't wait any longer before we try these. So let's pop one of these out. Just take a look at that beautiful goodness. Delicious. And friends, if you want more recipes like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to A Taste with Tamara Lee. And that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.